vlog, and my name is Rinalyn Oranza. So for today's video, I will make the cell model, namely the animal cells and the plant cells, using the edible materials, but I will discuss the plant cells. So now, I will discuss the function of different organelles found in the plant cells. But before we start, what is a plant cells? A plant cells are eukaryotic cells that vary in the several fundamental factors from other eukaryotic organisms. The plant cell structure just like different organs within the body. Plant cell structures include various components known as the source organelles that perform different functions to sustain itself. These organelles include the cell wall. It is located outside the cell membrane. The primary function of the cell wall is to protect and provide structural support to the cell. Next is the nucleus. The nucleus is a membrane-bound structure that is present only in eukaryotic cells. The vital function of the nucleus is to store DNA or hereditary information required for cell division, metabolism, and growth. Next is the nucleolus. It is a manufactured cell's protein-producing structure and ribosome. Next one is the chloroplast. The chloroplast shaped like a disc and stroma in the fluid within the chloroplast that comprises a circular DNA. Each chloroplast contains a green color pigments called chlorophyll, required for the process of photosynthesis. The chlorophyll absorbs the light energy from the sun and use it to transform carbon dioxide and water in glucose. The next one is the Golgi apparatus. They are found in all eukaryotic cells which are involved in distributing synthesized macromolecules to various parts of the cell. This one is the ribosome. They are the smallest membrane-bound organelles which comprises DNA and protein. They are sites for protein synthesis, hence also referred to as the protein factories of all the cells. This one is the mitochondrion. They are double membrane organelles found in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells. They provide energy by breaking down the carbohydrate and sugar molecules, hence they are also referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. This one is the lysosome. Are called suicidal bugs as they hold digestive enzymes in all enclosed membrane. They perform the function of circular waste disposal by digesting worn-out organelles, food particles, and foreign bodies in the cell. This is the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum, ER, is a large dynamic structure that serves many roles in the cells, include calcium storage, protein synthesis, and lipid metabolism. The diverse functions of the ER are performed by a distinct domain consisting of tubules, sheaths, and nuclear envelope. The last one is the vacuole. It plays an important role in the homeostasis of the plant cells. It is involved in the control of cell volume and cell turgor, the regulation of cytoplasmic ions and pH, the storage of the amino acids, sugars, and carbon dioxide. So now, what are the difference between the animal cells and the plant cells? The animal cells cannot produce their own energy and must eat other animals or plants to get their energy for their survival, while the plant cells use photosynthesis to get energy from the sun for their survival. Chlorophyll is the green pigments in plant cells that enables photosynthesis to happen, and it is one of the defining traits of the plant. Let's proceed to the similarities of animal cells and the plant cells. There are many similarities between the animal cells and the plant cells, including the fact that they are both eukaryotic cells. They both contain membrane-bound organelles such as the nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, and peroxisome. Both also contain similar membrane, cytosol, and cytoskeletal elements. And that would be all about the animal cells and the plant cells. Again, my name is Rinalyn Oranza. I hope you learned something from it, and thank you for watching.